Sorry.
Behind.
Behind the tower.
Okay.
Yeah, spotted.
Back is back.
Hey, I'm here.
Yep, stairs.
They make a
It's an
behemoth
area.
or something, I don't know what they're doing, but they play there.
It's elves versus mids.
Take
Some
stairs.
real ones.
Okay, next step.
Don't follow the tour, don't follow the tour. Take what he say in the field.
Okay, Frosty, we switch. He's stunned. Okay, dwarf.
I'm stunned. We need to move, we in the middle now. We need to move, guys. We take very bad position. We need to move east. Move east, please. Move east, move east, move east, east,
Purge,
east.
no purge.
Kobe.
Damaged.
Try to move east, boys. Nice disengage.
Yeah, just let them chase us.
Okay, we continue to move southeast. The mid is just on our left, behind the hill.
Gotta cure near sights. Channer's nearsighted.
We need a full disengage. We're going to again. The strong group is the mid group.
Are they?
Yeah, the elves are all low rank.
Yeah, but the elves. I can focus shield pull on my chanter, so I quite like that. So that's what I'm enjoying at the moment.
It's a full disengage, Jarnor.
Barely missed the old focus pulling. That's pretty cool.
The Albion is
Our
now
group northeast of
Yeah,
P9. Mid group center of Hydrants.
the
Arp
mid
north southeast Hadrians.
There.
Yeah.
There.
It's casters, it looks like. It's casters. We need to push them.
Ah, putain,
Set.
bon.
I got Roni.
Target. Okay, mass from
Revive
target.
him.
Almost.
Written, target, on the back.
All single mez.
Next Stefan and us. Next Stefan. Next Brit.
Mid now.
Oh my god, they broke.
Just
Completely in two parts. You managed to mess everything in one of them, Rakija. How did you do that?
Know it.
It was Harry, it was you.
Okay, northeast.
The ring of power.
Dwarf. Mind Frosty. Keep going
I need a Demez
group again.
on Men, Rocky.
Frosty. 53%. Okay, Norseman. Falcon.
36
Got a
player
real
on our tower.
And Norseman.
I'll troll in east.
It's fun off.
Okay, finish the. We are going to take our tower. 47.
37.
There's no one left.
Below have opened the second. I disengage. Take the supplies somewhere. Please.
Yeah, I did.
Ink. He have called the Zerg, the PNG. And the solo troll.
Looking right side. Take the pet.
Yeah. I keep an eye on it.
Troll. Drank. Target. Keep pushing in. Play least target. Plus T nuts. Keep rolling us.
Our front of us is flaming.
And Norseman.
Can maybe check fast. Play too much, bro.
Tried.
So is that the Alb 8-man that was in Manonans?
I think so, yeah. All are Hadrians now, the Arps, the Mids, and we are. Ink direction northwest. Northwest. Cast the group northwest over the hill.
That.
Over the hill.
Yep, take the Georges.
Hit on Ferg, yeah, okay, yeah.
Just blow him up.
Yeah.
Queen for Sork, Assassin.
Team is shiny.
Yeah, I got you. I got Laylee as well.
Nice.
Nice.
I got your
Pushing
pet
in.
too.
I'm pushing in.
No.
Yes.
Reaver charging.
Assassin is too deep.
I need Dimez on.
Coming. I'm stunned at the moment, Rejik.
No worries.
Going left side, yeah, left side, man.
Yeah, go for it.
Killing pet.
Minstrel now can take
Good
pressure.
to get pet out. Okay, 7 target.
Guys in the middle.
Damage shiny. Nice.
I'm on the right now.
Keep pushing the back
I'm
from
deceasing
the
the.
cleric.
So yeah, they're breaking.
That might get the Reaver. Kill the Reaver target. Britain, Illyrian Knight, the cleric.
In Raki.
Target. Sork.
Rooted.
And the mid, behind. The mid behind us. I missed the troll.
Ignore the mid, it's fine, it's 1 or 2.
Okay.
Clear the Alps.
They maze. Only the troll on me. Turn for the troll, please.
Salt and pulled some mobs. If you can get an AoE mez off on Rocky behind you.
Coming.
Oh, someone pulled more mobs. All good.
Yep.
Oh, right. I've taken one as a pet, but it's level 60. So,
Really?
King. Yeah. They're there. It's
Yes.
not. It's 5 man.
Can we
5
clear
man.
the mob quickly?
Cheers.
I'm gonna. Yeah, never mind. Just kill it.
I think it's the Zerg must be there at the tower, maybe.
Yeah,
Check.
we should get away, actually.
Just check and
Arps are first Savage. Lore. No, they are starting point. And Mids are Hadrian still.
I'm gonna pick up this pet on the right.
Door is open. Ah, we have a mana room.
Nice. Lead us to victory.
We move. Don't go. We don't go.
What realm rank are we these days? Are we realm rank 11 yet?
Yeah, 11.
Nice. So I can probably have a bar guest.
Last week gave us 0 points.
I was thinking that. That was fine, actually.
Sava was actually fuming.
Can you kill
fuck,
the bar guest?
We need to restart. Fuck.
Do all 3 rounds in less than 5 minutes.
Let's try to make one round.
Yes, helps. Yeah, we can definitely kill them.
Don't forget to check your charges.
Running range charge and acuity.
Non, c'est pas oui.
They are up the hill.
Okay,
Oh,
king,
no.
king.
They're the front.
Cast us.
Yeah, we killed that group before.
Damage Reini now. Takes Quirani.
They're going
Damage
left.
over.
Oh, I'm excited. I'm an idiot.
Yeah, you're good. I'm mezzing the Templar.
Get
South is
it
over.
We found the back.
Damage, pure Juragic.
Mess.
Damage Reini.
I have a
got
lot of ice pads.
I got Lottie.
Mess.
Damage Reini.
Clear our pads.
Nice.
Killing Templar in the back.
Même des routes, c'est cool. Dex Freak on Raki, please.
Yeah, wait.
Okay, where is the... Okay, I focus now the...
Get Minstrel. Minstrel is extended.
Nice.
Right, clearing pets.
Okay, target. Minstrel.
Damage Reini now. Up front. I'm having them.
I stay on the...
I'm on the top, that's me.
No, I stay on the Teurg. Last pet of the Teurg.
Okay. I want the Theurgist.
One more pet.
I'm rooted.
Damage
I
Reini?
can't hit anything. But
Yes.
Nice. They're breaking,
the
boys.
talk. But the
Okay,
Reaver.
Zest
Ah,
on
yeah,
the left
pet.
side.
They're breaking.
Left target.
Breaking now.
Zest.
They're breaking now.
Reste sur lui là, il pète là, c'est le Teurgiste. là.
Left side again. The Minstrel is extended.
Demez on men.
Dimez Regic coming.
Okay, ignore the Minstrel. We go Rainy's target.
Nice. Good job. I needed to purge.
Sorry, that was. I was trying to do something too. A little weird.
I was trying to do something. That's the best answer I ever heard. I was trying to do something.
Don't ask what it was. I just like when I see alb casters like that, I can't help but just push. It just feels like a whole W type of thing.
Yeah, I tried to play Bard at the beginning. That just doesn't work when you play Enchanter.
Oh my gosh.
This will break off now with the reboot. I don't know what's happening. Never had a reboot in a ring.
Yes. Ah oui. The time thing.
It's only 1 minute.
As I done put arena ready. Ah, yeah.
Okay, 30-second fight, I believe.
I believe in a 15-second win. I think I will not see them anymore.
They just all sit and pack so I can bomb them.
Maybe they're sitting together, yeah, and we bomb them down. That's the car. There they are, there they are, there they are. Sit down. Nice, come on. Nice, how's that?
I'm taking
One
the
guy.
Hey, we can take the
Come on,
touchdown.
go for it.
One guy.
I get the Reaper then.
Darn.
Oh, it was so close, the touchdown.